Hello, today this video will show you the how to crochet the last part of the blanket Ravenna, that is for the joint and the border. The yarn kit is sold at Plain Jane Craft at Etsy store. First we should sew in the motifs together. Use the needle and follow this graph. First, we along with the red line to join the motif 1 and 2. And second, then we do follow the green line and to join the motif 3. Then we do the yellow line, and last we do the blue line. After sewing together, we will start the border. The first line, we start from the corner. See, this is the corner of the motif 2, and this is the corner. We start from the stitch which is the left double crochet stitch. From this stitch, first we do 3 chains, and this is count as a double crochet. Then we do chain 1 and skip 1 stitch, and to the next stitch we do a double crochet. And chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and do a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip, and we just repeat this. And for this, the side of this motif, we total will pick up 14 groups of double crochet 1 and chain 1 for this side. Chain just like this. So this side total will be 14 groups. And 1 chain, and then this double crochet is just in the space of the corner. Then next we will do the motif 4. We'll pick up first. We need to pick up, we'll do a double crochet in the seam of the sewing. Then we pick up another 14 groups of 1 double crochet, 1 chain in motif 4. I first pick up in the middle of the round 5. Then the second group pick up in the middle of the round 4. And the third one I pick up just in the spot of round 3 and 4. Then the next I pick up in the middle of round 3. Then another next is in the middle of round 2. Then I put just the spot between, that is the cross of round 1 and round 2. Then pick up in the middle of round 1. So this is 7 groups. So then the other part is just to do the mirror. First, pick up in the middle of round 1 and the spot between 1 and 2. Then in the middle of round 2. Then just the mirror of that part. So that is another 7 group of 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Then this I think is the last group. Then we also still need to pick up 1 group of 1 chain, 1 double crochet and 1 chain in the sewing seam, the seam. So this round we just do like this. When you do the motif side, you pick up 14 groups of double crochet 1 and chain 1 in each side, and then pick up 1 group of double crochet 1 chain 1 in the sewing seam. Then when in the corner, you just do 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. When 1 chain, that is 2 groups of 1 double crochet 1 chain in the corner space. So we just following this pattern to finish this line, this round. This is the side. Now we finished this the first round. Then the second round we will change to yarn A. The yarn the second round is start from the corner space. You can choose any corner space. First, do a chain, and this is not count as a stitch. Then we do 2 single crochets in the space. And then we do a single crochet in the double crochet stitch of last round, and do 2 double crochets in next space. Okay, this is half corner. Then we do another 2 single crochets in the corner. Then we do a half double crochet, a double crochet in the next space, and then the next space is 2 double crochet, and also the next space is also 2 double crochets. The next is 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Then in next 4 spaces, in each space we do 2 single crochets. So this is one group. Then we do half double crochet, and the next 2 space, each space is 2 double crochets. So we just repeat this. We can check the pattern. Here is 8 stitches, total is 16 stitches, and this 8 stitches is with half double crochet and a double crochet and 4 double crochets and 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet. This is 4 spaces, and the other 4 spaces, that is 8 single crochets. So this is a group. We just repeat this group for the side. When we go to the corner, that is a little bit different. Here we start our single crochet. For the side, each space is 2 single crochets. But for the corner, we just add a single crochet on the double crochet stitch. And then still 2 single crochets in the space, then another single crochet in the double crochet stitch. So in the corner, this 8 single crochets only occupy the 3 space, not 4 space, only 3 space, because we add 2 single crochets on the not in the space, just on the double crochet stitch. Others are all the same. So we just repeat this and to finish the whole round. This is the side, so we use 4 spaces to crochet 8 single crochets. Then use another 4 space to do the 2 half double crochets and 6 double crochets. Okay, now we will do the corner again. So this is the corner. When the corner, we always will do the single crochets. So the single crochet will only occupy 3 space. We need to do a single crochet on the double crochet stitch of last round, then 2 single crochets in the space, then another single crochet on the double crochet stitch of last round, and then another 2. So that is total 8 single crochets, but it only occupies 3 spaces. Then the side is just the same. We do like this to finish the whole round. So this is finished. For this round, we can find the patterns like this. This is a repeat, that is 8 single crochet, and we start the next round in any of the last single crochet group. This one. We insert the yarn D to any last single crochet stitch of the 8 single crochet group of last round. Then we do chain 3. This count as a double crochet. Put a mark on the third chain. Then we do chain 1, and skip 2 stitches and do a double crochet. Then another chain 1 and skip 1 stitch and to do a double crochet 1 and chain 4 and double crochet 1. Then we do chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. Do a double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1 and skip 2 stitches and do a double crochet 1 in next stitch. Then another chain and skip 2 stitches and do a double crochet. So this is a group. And we can repeat. We do a double crochet and do 4 chains, do double crochet and do 4 chains, and do a double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 and skip 1, do a double crochet 1 and skip 2. Skip 2. So we just do like this for the whole round. It should be just even for the patterns. So then we slip into the marker stitch to join, and also the next round, the round 4, is still use yarn D. So first we slip 1 stitch into the space. Then we do 1 chain, and this doesn't count as a stitch, and do 2 single crochets in each of the space, 1 chain space. And in the 4 chain space, we just do 5 single crochets. The 1 chain, we do 2 single crochets in each space. Okay, then we start round 5. Round 5 is start from the left stitch of the 5 single crochet group. So this stitch, first we do 3 chains. This count as a double crochet. Then we put a marker on the 3rd chain stitch. Then we do chain 1 and skip 2 stitches, skip 2 stitches, and do a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 and skip 2 stitches. We do this 4 times. Then we chain 1, and this time we will only skip 1 stitch, not skip 2. Skip 1 stitch, and in this stitch we do a double crochet 1, chain 4, and 1 double crochet. Then we do chain 1, skip 2, and a double crochet for 5 times. This is all skip 2. So this is the only place we only skip 1 stitch. Then all others are all skip 2 stitches. So we just follow this pattern to finish the whole round. And then we make a slip stitch to the marker 1 to join. Then we start round 6. Round 6 we'll use yarn F. We insert the yarn F in any 4 chain space of last round. We chain 3. This count as a double crochet. And then we do 6 double crochets in this space. So 6 plus 1 double crochet, which is 3 chains. Total there are 7. There are 7 double crochets in this space. Then we do a double crochet on the double crochet stitch of last round, not the space. Okay. Then we do 2 double crochets in the space. In next space, first we do 1 double crochet. Then we need to do a 3 double crochet together. So first is in this space. The second one is we skip 1 space and the next stitch. Then we skip this space, and in next space, this 3 we just to make double crochets together. Then do a double crochet in the same space, and 2 double crochets in next space. Then 1 double crochet on the stitch. Then 7 double crochets in the 4 chain space. and another double crochet on the stitch, then 2 double crochet in the space, and 1 double crochet, then we do another 3 double crochet together. This is the first one. The second one is this one. Skip the space. The third one is in the next space. Then do a double crochet in the same space. We just repeat this pattern and follow this pattern to finish this round. Then we slip the stitch with the marker to join. This is the last, and we do 2 double crochets. Okay, then we slip to the third stitch of the chain to join. Okay, then we start the last round. Last round is pretty easy. First we chain 1. This doesn't count as any stitch, and we do a single crochet, then do another single, we do a 3 chain picot, then we do another single crochet and another single crochet and do a picot. That is 2 single crochets and a 3 chain picot. Just repeat this. To finish the whole line. Then this blanket is all finished.